Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock today. It's from Chris Capune. If I butchered your name, buddy, I'm sorry. And it says number 2, and it was pinned on 9/1/18 on my birthday last year, or unless that means January 9th, going the other way. Then it's not. But we're gonna work smooth, and there's your bitine on the key. I'm gonna see about getting into this. I've got my other holders all boogered up over here. They're got other locks in them, so we're gonna give this a shot in hand. Go back here and root around a little bit. Got a click. I think that was out of 4. We'll see here. Okay. That's 3, I think. Nothing up here. Oh, we're open. Okay. I think it opened on 4 again. Wow. Okay. And I'm going to lock it up, see if we can get the... where's my dilly dauber? See if we can get this back off. Let's see. Oops. Oh, okay. That popped right away. Alrighty. Let's get a tray here. Ooh. And since we have the key, get away with this. Get a shim going. Yeah, I haven't been around much lately because I've been out. We had a couple of really nice days here. So I've been out cleaning the yard and doing stuff like that. And I'll try to catch up on your guys' videos if I can. But I'll do the best I can, guys. I really hate missing them, but I have things I need to do too, so... Uh-oh. What do we got going on there? We got something don't want to be nice. Okay, not good, not good. Let's go ahead and move the key. I think we're going to lose something up here. Dang. Well, that's there. Man, that's tight. It's got the shim covering it. But wow, that follower is stuck. Okay, I'm just going to wiggle it on in. All right. Okay, we're good. It was just tight. Really tight. Okay. Whew. I go, oh, that's good. I'm going to blow that one. Get over the shakes here. Oh, that's just an overset trap. You got to pick this one in the back a little bit. This one. And that one is the overset. So you got to get these 4. I thought it was wow, that was a good job. Let's get them out of here. Just didn't want to hit the right trough. That's an interesting pin. The heck? Pin and pin? I don't know. It's a C. Oh yeah, pin and pin on that one. Very nice, very nice. We'll leave that kind of out there. That one? Nah, that one looks normal. Alrighty. I wasn't really prepared here, you can tell. Where are my tweezers? I had them a minute ago. I was doing something. There they are. Right in front of my face. That's why I couldn't find them. Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay. There it is. I wondered where it went. I lost it. Alrighty. Yeah, I'll try to get back on track with you guys as soon as I possibly can. Oh, nice. That one's a I don't think I can pick it up with those. Let me have my other one. Get it. That's a pin and pin too. Right there. Nice. Well, I don't see that spring neither. Might still be up. Yeah, it's still in there. I'll just leave it. Wow. Man, this wants to push back hard. Ugh. There we go. Oh. It popped after I had it popped. Alrighty. God, stop. Doggone it. Oh, they're threaded. That's what's holding them up a little bit. Some of them are. Yeah, I know this is taking forever. It's because I'm doggone it. I'm pretty sure that's probably how that goes. It'd be nice if one of you just cooperated with me once. Oh, of course not. Of course not. Can't do that. No, no, no. Can't be having that. All right, I'm going to speed this gutting up. I'm telling you, this is just ridiculous. These things just don't want to come out. I'm going through the back. Get out of the way. It's taking way too long for this gutting. Now that was in like that. I don't think that... I'm going to ask Chris if that's supposed to be like that. I would think it'd be better off the other way, but hey. Maybe he's got it threaded and that's what the idea was. Catch the threads on the top. Yep, that's probably what he had in mind. This one was in like that. Oh, it looks like a double-sided spool, so I'm going to leave those two in. Shoot. It's taking too long already. Man, I have this stuff laying out here and it keeps getting moved around. It's my dog's fault. Couldn't be me. 1 and 2 are threaded, or 5 and 6 are threaded. 1 and 3 are threaded. 1 and 3, 5 and 6 are threaded. Then there's 2 springs hung up in there. You got threading in 2, and looks like an undercut in 3. threading in 4 and 5. I mean 5 and 6. 4 is smooth. So here are the pins in Chris Capune's number 2. Very nice work. So that's it, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna speed that gutting up so that you don't have to sit here and watch all that. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.